Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to tap someone in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Now click on the profile of the person that you wanna tap. You'll have to keep in mind that tapping someone in Grindr means you're interested in them and you like their profile appearance. You'll just have to click on the fire icon in the bottom section of your screen in order to tap someone. So that is how you can tap someone in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.